Welcome to another episode of RetroCraft. If you think your reputation doesn't matter because you're just an apprentice, you're already behind. Your reputation doesn't start when you get licensed, when you start to feel confident, when you journey out, or when someone finally notices you. It starts the first day you show up. And whether you like it or not, it's already deciding things like what kind of work you get, who takes the time to teach you, who trusts you, and who quietly decides that you are not worth the effort. You don't get to choose whether you have a reputation in construction. You only get to choose what it becomes. Before we go any further, let me tell you where I'm coming from. I didn't learn these points from podcasts or from reading books. I've learned it the hard way. I've been an apprentice. I've been a foreman. I've been a general superintendent running multiple projects. I've been a superintendent for a general contractor and even owned a small business for a small time. And today, I'm still getting up early, lacing up my boots, and walking on into the unpredictable world of construction like I have for almost 30 years now. And I love it now more than ever. I've had different roles, different regions, different crews. So when I talk about reputation, this isn't influencer talk. This is dirt under the fingernails, life in the trenches, year after year, knowledge that I've gained the hard way. Here's something that I want you to understand early. Construction is a small world, much smaller than you realize at this moment. Foremen are always talking to foremen. Superintendents are talking to superintendents and foremen. Project managers are talking to other project managers and superintendents and foremen. And when schedules slip, budgets tighten, or problems pop up, names come up. Who can we put this on? Who can handle this without supervision? Who do we trust? Your reputation travels faster than you do. And you might leave a job, but your reputation doesn't clock out when you do. And once your name means something, good or bad, you don't get to reset it easily. And that's why this matters now, not later. Point 1. Being a good person isn't enough. This one gets misunderstood. When I ask someone on a job about an apprentice or a journeyman or anyone, and the response I get is, yeah, they're a good guy, or yeah, she's a good person, I already know what that means. A good person to me is number 2 on the list. Maybe on times number 3 or 4. What I really value is hearing they're steady, or they're efficient, they're smooth, they're exceptional at layout, they're always working, they solve problems, they never miss details, they're hungry, they get it done right the first time. That's reputation. That's what I want to hear. Being a good person matters, but let's be clear, that's just the baseline. Construction doesn't reward effort, it rewards results. You can be the nicest person on the job site, but if you're slow, sloppy, or unreliable, people will remember that. And the opposite is also true. People will tolerate a lot from someone who can consistently deliver. That's not how it should be. That's how it is. Hey, quick pause just for 1 second. If this is helpful, like this video and subscribe to this channel. It helps more than you would think in keeping this project moving forward. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments, especially the questions. That's what drives future episodes. And if you want to support this channel, you can go to retrocraft.us for some gear like my shirt here. All right, let's get back to it. What do you actually contribute? Point 2. This is where reputations are truly built. Good foremen don't care where you're from, what your first language is, who you're married to, what religion you are, or what your background story is. They care about one thing. What do you contribute? Do you make the crew better or slower? Do you solve problems or create them? Do you need constant supervision or can you be trusted? And if you're an apprentice, listen carefully. Your contribution doesn't have to be massive yet. It can simply be showing up prepared, paying attention, asking questions at the right time, or doing the tasks you're given correctly and completely. The best compliment you can earn on a job site is simple. Put them on it. They'll get it done. That sentence means you don't cut corners, you don't complain, and you don't need babysitting. Your reputation is currency. And good foremen won't waste man hours on needless tasks. If they've given you work, it needs to be done, not questioned, not complained about. Your contribution is what will keep you moving forward. Point 3, reality always beats perception. This is especially important today. A lot of people are very good at selling themselves. They talk a good game, they explain everything, they make sure the right people like them, and they kiss ass. And sometimes that will work for a little while, but it never withstands the test of time, because at the end of the day, you are known for what you do, not what you say. You can't out-talk missed details, you can't charm your way past rework, and you can't explain away bad production forever. Construction is honest, and reality always wins. You might fool one foreman, and you might fool one company, but sooner or later, your work speaks. And when it does, your reputation will be adjusted accordingly. So let's put all three of these together, because your reputation is being built every single day, whether you're thinking about it or not. Being a good person is the start, not the finish. Number 2, contribution is what people will remember. And number 3, reality always beats perception. You don't build your reputation with one big move. You build it in how you show up, how you work, how you handle pressure, and how you act when nobody's watching. These moments add up. So this is what I got for you. Pay attention to what your name means on the job site, because once people trust it, I promise you, doors will open. And if they don't trust it, nothing you say will matter. That's all I got. Let's get back to work.